How to change your direct deposit on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to change your direct deposit on TurboTax. So please watch until the end to learn this and more. So first of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to turbotax.com. Sign in with your account using your correct login details. Navigate to the Files section and select a Start or Revisit option. Answer the questions until you reach the How do you want your federal refund section. Select the Other Refunds option from the list provided and choose the Direct Deposit option and click on Continue button. Enter your new direct deposit information accurately, including your bank account number and account type. And finally, review all the details and click on Continue button at the bottom of the page to complete the process. And that's it. You can follow the steps to change your direct deposit on TurboTax. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.